Hey you, are you tired of using the same old boring methods of presentation in your classroom? A quick change here. Let's go with this one. Perfect, another PowerPoint done. Do you get the feeling that your lessons are so boring your students are starting to skip class?
Bueller, Bueller, Bueller.
Do you want to add a little spice to your lessons? If any of that sounds like you, then you should take EdTech 300 at the University of Regina. It's your one-stop shop to integrating technology into your classroom. In EdTech 300, you'll learn about the different tools you can use to bring technology into your classroom. You'll become a master blogger, an expert Twitter user, and you'll even get a chance to learn how to code through the use of websites that you can use with your students. It makes coding fun for teachers and students alike. Not only that, you'll also learn the importance of your online identity. Whether you choose to be or not, you are a part of the online world, and it's best for you to create a positive online identity before somebody else does it for you. Finally, you will get an opportunity to take charge of your own learning by learning a skill of your choice over the course of this class. The best part of it all, you can do it from the comfort of your home. Are you tired of using PowerPoint to present all of your lessons? Well, in EdTech 300, you will learn a bunch of different ways to present your lessons to make them fun and engaging for students. Don't just rely on Microsoft Office anymore. One tool you might learn about is Sketch, an app from Evernote that you can use to annotate your PDFs and images to help others see your point of view. If you want a new fun way to make newsletters for your classroom, then you should check out S'more. It's easy to use, fun, and the layout is just perfect for any of your needs. Or maybe you want to practice your video editing skills. Apps such as QuickTime Player and iMovie, available to all Mac users, make recording and editing video simple but with a great final product. But what if you're not a Mac user? Well, that's where Screencastify comes in. It is a Google Chrome extension that you will learn about that you can use to record your screen and your voice. In EdTech 300, you will learn how to make your own professional website and blog where you can post your teaching philosophy, the resources you've made, and even some of the books you might like or links you find useful. Here's my blog for EdTech 300 and all the blog posts I've made since the beginning. In EdTech 300, you'll also get the opportunity to build your professional learning network, or PLN for short. A PLN is a group of like-minded individuals which you can use to bounce ideas off of or get ideas from. One tool used to build your PLN is Twitter. On Twitter, you communicate using tweets and hashtags to help other people find your post. You will also get the opportunity to participate in what is known as a Twitter chat. A Twitter chat is when a bunch of users talk about a certain topic and they all reply using the same hashtag. In this case, it's hashtag SaskEdChat. Twitter chats are essential to building your professional learning network as they allow you to quickly and easily gain access to thousands of individuals around the globe. In EdTech 300, you will also learn about coding and different websites you can use to bring coding into your classroom. And before you say you don't want kids to learn how to code, check out this article called "This is Why Kids Need to Learn to Code" on the Connected Learning Alliance. Here we learn that coding is important because it helps problem-solving skills, confidence, and it's a really good way to help students understand the world around them. In EdTech 300, you will learn that your online identity and offline identity are one and the same. And in today's age, it's important to know that whether you want to be or not, you are online because of the prevalence of smartphones, cameras in stores, and just people talking. What you do will end up online and it will be there forever. So in this class, you will learn how to make a professional and positive online presence before somebody else can make a negative one for you. Let's just take a look at some cases where a negative online presence affected a person in the real world, whether they chose to be online or not. Let's take a look at Monica Lewinsky, for example. She had an affair with Bill Clinton in the early days of the internet. However, a quick Google search, and we'll find that most of the first top hits are in response to her affair with Clinton in the earlier days of the internet. This just goes to showing you that whether you choose to be or not, you are on the internet. For example, you'll look at an EdTech 300 as Justine Sacco. Back in 2014, Justine Sacco posted a very inappropriate tweet about AIDS in Africa. Since then, internet vigilantism has caused her to lose her job and have a hard time finding a career, as we find from a quick Google search. Now, if it wasn't enough to see what happened to Monica Lewinsky and Justine Sacco, another article called Character Education for the Digital Age by Jason Oler explains why it's important for students to be educated on having a positive online presence. He says that by establishing a proactive, aggressive character education program that is tuned to digital youth, it will place digital activities in the context of community instead of banishing them to students' private lives. This is important because it teaches students that no matter where they go, they are still online. As mentioned earlier, in EdTech 300, you'll get a chance to learn a skill of your choice. In my case, I chose knitting using tools on the internet. If you want to learn more, check out my blog, DanielSTJblog at .wordpress.com, which I'll link in the description. I hope to see you enroll in EdTech 300 today, and hopefully this video persuaded you in some way to do so. Thank you.